Hello, good afternoon. One of my goals this year is to build upon the progress you guys made in building your Canvas courses last year. And one of the first tasks that I want to take on is cleaning up your courses. As I've learned and gone through your courses, one of the things I've noticed is that there's just simply a lot of files, and it can be overwhelming to me, so I'm guessing it's overwhelming to students too. So we want to make that information clean and easy for them to use on a daily basis. Now, the features that you learned today, you can use to clean up not only your modules, but your pages, and to just set your course up in a much clearer way. The key to being successful in this way is to develop a structure that keeps all your information in your course while also not leaving that long list of information where you're scrolling for days. And it's very, very simple to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into modules. So when you get into modules, a lot of you have probably realized that, for instance, you have underneath the first module of your course, you have all kinds of information: a grading scale, acceptable use policy, video permission slip, whatever. And I've looked at all kinds of courses, and I've found here's one from English 11, here's one from physics. So anywhere from 8 to 10 files. So really simply, we can fix this in just a couple minutes and leave you really with something that I think is a lot nicer and cleans up your files. The first thing you need to do is we're going to create a new page, and for our sake today we're just going to create it right here under this file. So we're going to create a new page, and I'm going to call it English 10 course information, and then I'm going to add that item, and you'll see it'll show up right here. I can then move it wherever I need to move it, but I'm going to put it right here just for this sake. Now I'm going to open this page, and you'll see that it says English 10 course information. I'm going to hit edit. The thing you'll want to add is you can build a header if you'd like. English 10. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to give it a header. Then I'm going to skip down, and I'm going to build a bulleted list of items that I would have for my course. Video permission slip, so now I've added in all of my documents, and so what I'll do next is I'll just go through and I'll highlight the text, and then I'll come over here to the side and I'll say okay, I've got files for that. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to look for my course syllabus. And here it is. And I'm going to look for my video. Hit save. You'll see I've created a file, one page with all of those documents on it. And then I'll go back into my modules, and right underneath my course, like in this case it's the physics course, I've created this physics course information page. Right underneath that there is a nice neat file of all the documents, and what that does is it replaces this long list of documents that I might have had, and it replaces it in one page. And most of this information is stuff I would have kept, I would have used at the beginning of the year, or students might refer back to once in a while. As I've said before, you can use this kind of information to go into your other courses, into your own courses, and you can look at your learning modules and say, what information could I bundle together? And so in this case, it's a geometry course. Here's your course description. You can also do a page of, like, if you have video lessons or you have class resources. I really like this video lessons page because, one, they're all for the whole unit are on one page. But if you want to watch the video, you want to have students watch the page, they click it and they can watch it right on the page. But all of the videos then are on the page. And so instead of having that long list, and I'll show you what one of these units can look like. So you can have chapter 4 here, but then look, we could eliminate and cut back on all of these. We can make that unit shorter and easier for students to use. I hope these tips help. If you'd like assistance with cleaning up your Canvas page or adding to it, please let me know. And I hope you have a great rest of your day.